Okay guys, this is Sunuma signing in YouTube once again. Okay, today is October 31, 2011. It's about 1:44 p.m. here in the Philippines, so let's do some tutorial, and I would like to do this as you know me, fast and easy. So the title of my tutorial is this: Uno mas tutorial, fastest Yahoo ID Locker VIP edition 5 seconds lock. In as little as 5 seconds, the ID will be locked. This is how fast it is. As you can see, it's a VIP 24/7 locker bag. Okay, a VIP locker. So, as you can see, I have an ID here in my Y Supra. So I will add it. Okay, as you can see, it's got tokens. Okay, now I will add in the ID in my 24/7 ID locker. Now I will click lock account. See how fast it locks. Okay. And that's it. This victim is locked. Okay. The victim is locked already. Okay. In as little as 5 seconds. So, as I click in the ad, it's invalid. As you can see, it's invalid. Right. I click in the ad again. As you can see, it's locked. Then lock. As you can see, it's locked. Unavailable. As you can see, now it's unavailable. See, this is how fast this ID locker is. So it's a VIP locker 24/7 locker. Actually, guys, wait, I have posts. Actually, I do have locked an ID yesterday, and that ID is this one. I think I locked it 2 p.m. yesterday. Maria Salinas 1989. See. Maria Salinas 1989. And the password of this is 567. As you can see, I already locked this yesterday at about 2 to 3 p.m. I do think. So it's still locked. It's still locked. It's a 24/7 ID VIP locker. So it's a 24 hours locking system of ID Yahoo ID. So this is Sunumas signing out to YouTube. I do hope you like my tutorial. Fastest ID locker ever that I use. Okay. So bye bye guys, and hope you like my tutorial. Bye guys. Mwah.